If you're the out-venture type, overcoming the harshest terrain with a gas power plant, or if you're on the hunt for pure power, harnessing every bit of clean torque potential in your diesel engine, then Airaid is a name that you should be familiar with. Airaid designs air intakes to replace your factory components but with less restriction, so you can improve the flow of oxygen into your engine and build more power. Their high-flow filters are available in your choice of a fully synthetic filter called Synthamax or an oiled cotton synthetic blend media called Synthaflow. Both can be clean and reused, so you'll never have to buy another filter. And check out the Poweraid throttle body spacer it installs between your intake manifold and throttle body. The Helix Bore design increases the velocity of the air, adding just the right turbulence just before it mixes with your fuel for a more efficient burn, giving you more power and throttle response, especially in your low to mid range. You can enjoy these mods individually or pair them together. They're made in the USA and they come with a no-hassle limited lifetime warranty. We ship them for free to anywhere the law allows in the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.